Oh, no, 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 no.
Hit up DJ Rax on IG. Instagram. At DJ Rax Squad.
Keep me at 30, listen on rocks. Shot ain't doing no box, no box. And they feel like.
Put this in there.
The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Scranton County, Allendale County in southeastern South Carolina. The high temperature, high time. At 5:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Miller.
Thank you.
Moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Allendale, Fairfax, Sycamore, Ulmer, Seagoling, Millett, Martin, Appleton, and Burton Ferry Landing. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so.
I wanna see what that mouth